Mommy, I accent.
Oh, go color the... Yeah, but what? Boy.
Mommy, I color blue the water.
Very good. Imagine ko ang teacher.
And the rainbow was a shines in there was a barn. And Mommy, I color white.
Color white the what?
The soap.
The soap? Very good kasi your soap is white.
Mommy, that's the visible.
Okay, that's invisible.
Wait kasi invisible ka. Yes, talaga naman.
Mommy, I color blue. That?
Okay.
Lobat na.
That?
Zion, classroom or music room? Are you done? Are you done?
Not yet.
I'll count up to 3. Huh?
Lobat, madilim na. Nandun pa ba? Hindi na?
Let me see.
Wala na. Wala.
Let me see.
Ay! No more na, oh. Ayan.
Nagre-record ko ulit.
Mommy, I'm
Ah,
done.
ganon.
Pag pag nagdulang ka, mag-stop. Tapos pag pinindot mo ulit yung red, ulit siya.
Ah.
Galing talaga. Galing ha! Ang daming hawak na crayon!
Ay, Diyos, puro orange.
Malis, multitasking. Parang ang bilis. Okay, are you done?
Not
Are you done? Are you done? Yeah! Are you done?
Ay,
Very good. Okay, Zion, what is she doing?
eating.
Eating. Is eating loving yourself?
Yes!
Very good. Go ahead and color the girl.
Yes! Hey, no! It's mine!
He's helping you.
Don't X it! Don't X Mommy! Let me see!
may
See
bagoong ako
that?
eh.
It's Zion
Kinain ko
King.
mangga. Ilagay ko liyo.
Ah! I saw him Xing it!
Nandiyan na.
Okay.
Because
Malay ko.
it's not loving yourself.
It's not loving.